DPF is a diesel particulate filter, and it's designed to capture all the toxic gases and soot that come out of a diesel engine. You only need to become worried about it once it gets blocked. The car itself will manage and monitor how blocked the DPF gets, and when it gets to a point where it's blocked, it needs to do what that's called as a regeneration. That's when the car heats up the exhaust pipe to about 600 degrees and catalyses all the build-up soot and chemicals inside the DPF, and therefore it's clean. Well, you pretty much only need to worry about it if you start to see the yellow light and it starts to get blocked up. You need to take the car for a drive about every 2 weeks, over 80 k's an hour for half an hour or more. And that's ideally what the car needs to be able to clean its own DPF, and you shouldn't have any trouble with it. If you're doing a lot of city driving, the car still performs the regeneration process, but it's not as effective because it's not getting the heat that it needs to get rid of the rubbish. Wynn's DPF and turbo cleaner is able to clean not only the DPF, but also the turbo. Simply put it in your tank, and what that does is that allows all the soot to be burned off at a lower temperature, about 450 degrees, rather than 600, and give your car a much better opportunity to get rid of the stuff out of the DPF. It's really easy to use. You pour it in the tank, fill your car up as normal, and it's as easy as that. Put one in about every 3,000 k's for the cost of around about 20 bucks for a bottle, versus replacing a DPF filter, you are looking at thousands of dollars.